Hello, dear friends! Today we want to go to Masuleh, an old village of 700 years old with an unusual architecture. It's located in north of Iran. Masuleh has local market and very beautiful nature. So let's go! Masuleh is located in the southwest of Gilan province. Here is Fulman County Road. And we go to Masuleh village from this road.
I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. You see the sea, I'll see the sunshine. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine, shine, shine. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine, shine, shine. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. You see the sea.
There are many restaurants between road with local foods. This food name is local Shami, very delicious. And sir torshi beside that. Oh, maybe most of you don't know what is sir torshi. If you ask a Persian that what the inseparable side dish of Persian cousin is, she would probably reply, sir torshi. Yes, which is made of garlic. Actually, I'm crazy about that. And rice. Masuleh, a great combination of nature and architecture. This is a historical village with the great architectural design built on a mountain. The view is amazing. The houses look adorable. Rooftops of the lower buildings of this starlight village are yards of another upper building. A charming village that impresses with the atmospheres, herbal shops, stores, cafe, restaurants, colors, and other local products. You have to climb the stairs and small roads in between the houses to see all the village. And each level of houses is built on the lower level's rooftop. For photography, it can be a great destination. Here is beautiful Masuleh at night. This is Rasht. or Persian yogurt soup. You should serving it in a hot temperature. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment.